This aggressive Tony Stark design features monumental gold overhangs, a massive motor court, and a breathtaking linear pool. Step inside this monumental 80,000 square foot masterpiece, where pure white architecture meets magnificent champagne gold trim layouts.
This pristine formal drawing room features ultra-sharp minimalist lines and custom curated teal seating under beautiful warm daylight.
Look at the insane scale of this open concept lounge, looking out to the sprawling private Meadow vistas. Host elite modern banquets in this staggering formal dining space, featuring a custom polished glass multi-seat table. Conduct multi-million-dollar international business inside this incredibly sleek executive home office finished in rich, light oak wood.
Your private master bedroom retreat offers unmatched horizontal proportions and an absolutely flawless, sun-drenched coastal chic interior layout.
This primary master ensuite bathroom delivers pure opulence with bespoke white marble walls and stunning custom gold hardware fixtures.
Behind the scenes sits this incredible hidden prep kitchen to keep your main living spaces totally spotless always. Even the butler's pantry sets a brand new luxury standard, with custom light oak walls and illuminated gold shelving.
Check out these hidden custom refrigerators. This entire wall seamlessly integrates ultra-luxury kitchen tech behind pure white panels. This massive service kitchen extension is designed for world-class private chefs to cater your biggest elite parties. Wake up to perfection at your private coffee and espresso bar. It looks like a high-end luxury boutique. Enjoy casual morning dining in this sun-drenched breakfast nook that feels entirely integrated with the fresh Meadow breeze. This secondary indoor dining extension lounge is the absolute perfect setting for post-dinner cocktails and conversations. Even the storage pantry is fully custom. Immaculate organization meets beautiful high-end design elements everywhere you look. Your VIP guests will never want to leave after staying in this gorgeous, sun-drenched Mountain Meadow suite. The VIP ensuite bathroom features custom white stone craftsmanship paired with striking gold hardware throughout. Guests enjoy pure luxury with custom marble and gold accents. Every washroom features immaculate, zero clutter and warm aesthetics. Discover this massive upstairs lounge with serene meadow views. Experience cinematic supremacy in your plush velvet home theater. Relax in this clean media room, optimized for elite streaming comfort. Throw world-class events in your indoor nightclub room. This massive, open-concept lounge seating zone is completely sun-drenched and meticulously designed. Crush your daily workouts inside this insane home gym, packed with custom gold fitness equipment. Your high-profile guests will be absolutely blown away by this multi-jet walk-in spa shower. This monumental master walk-in closet feels exactly like an elite, high-end boutique.
The romance room offers deep teal velvet textures and a beautifully soft, indirect ambient glow. Tailored to perfection for her, this bedroom features custom teal draping and white finishes.
Glam up inside this luxury private makeup room, featuring professional lighting and breathtaking bespoke gold finishes. Showcase your finest vintage collection inside this ultra-modern, climate-controlled glass wine vault. Behold this breathtaking sculptural floating marble staircase, a literal multi-million-dollar work of art. Gliding through these endless sunlit indoor walkways reveals the stunning, open-concept flow of this estate. Even the hidden staff service corridors look pristine, featuring minimalist design and clean lighting. The secondary service stairs maintain a highly sophisticated, minimalist Tony Stark vibe throughout. The upper floor overlook gives you a true appreciation of this mansion's massive scale. Look up at these spectacular layered floating ceilings featuring integrated champagne gold trim and recessed architectural lighting. Walk across these massive, ultra-high-end polished stone floor tiles that bounce the gorgeous natural daylight perfectly. Even the room doors are massive, custom light oak masterpieces, standing 10 feet tall with exquisite integrated gold handles. These premium seamless white lacquer cabinets offer pristine storage with fully integrated custom champagne gold soft close hardware.
This custom multi-tiered crystal chandelier acts as a dramatic sculptural masterpiece, casting gorgeous, warm lighting across the space. This luxury laundry room makes chores effortless with state-of-the-art appliances surrounded by beautiful custom white cabinetry.
Your private estate staff will live in absolute comfort inside these beautifully appointed, ultra-modern, high-end living quarters. This seamless linear air conditioning system is fully integrated into custom ceilings for perfect architectural climate control. Control your entire 80,000 square foot compound using this high-end smart home automation touch system interface panel. Check out this incredible private heavy motorcycle gallery featuring custom museum-grade lighting and flawless architectural woodwork. This monumental indoor showroom garage displays pristine multi-million-dollar hypercars in a perfectly minimalist, zero-clutter environment. Gaze through soaring glass walls into your private manicured tree atrium courtyard that brings natural green tranquility inside. This enclosed indoor pool lounge offers an absolute pinnacle of relaxation, with gorgeous water reflections and gold detailing. At dusk, the spectacular 3,500 Kelvin architectural lighting transforms this massive estate into a glowing masterpiece. Even the guest powder room is a masterpiece, featuring floating white stone counters and elegant champagne gold backlighting. This unbelievable layout perfectly combines grand-scale structural geometry with absolute pristine billionaire-tier luxury living. Welcome to the absolute peak of elite living. This is true architectural supremacy, hidden deep inside nature.